Let's begin in Sukhasana, easy seated pose on your mat. Round the shoulders up and back, relax the jaw and close the eyes. Place your hands face down on your knees and take a deep breath in through your nose and an easy exhale. Arriving here with yourself, coming into this moment and letting go. Inhale, connecting to your breath, lengthening the spine. And exhale, quieting the thoughts and allowing yourself to be here now. Good, and then reach your fingertips out to your side, bring your chin into your chest. And then on an inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. And exhale, bring your prayer hands right to your heartbeat. Setting an intention for your day or a mantra into your heart. And take a big breath in and a big breath out. And then inhale, interlace the fingers, sweep the palms forward, reach them up towards the sky. And then on an exhale, you're going to flip your knuckles away from you as we round and curl the spine, chin to chest, navel comes in. Good, again, inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. Exhale, reach them forward, round and curl. Spread the shoulder blades. Inhale, reach everything up. And then exhale, release your hands down at your side. Good. And then taking a side bend, just lean on over to your left. Reaching up with that right arm, round the shoulder, look down, just breathing, opening the body slowly and safely. Good, inhale, come back to center, and exhale, tip it on over to your right, reach that left arm all the way up, let the shoulder open, bring the gaze down and round the shoulder forward. Good, and then inhale, come back up to center, walk your fingertips behind you, plant your palms on an inhale, open the chin, maybe you can squeeze the belly and lift the hips. Nice, and then exhale, crawl your fingertips forward, coming into a forward fold. Take a breath into the back of the lungs, a little sway, side to side, and then come onto your finger pads with your fingers. And then go ahead and walk your spider fingers over to the left. Breathing big, nice side stretch. Exhale it out. Just awakening the body with our breath. Good, and then walk it back to center. Keep walking it over to the right. And breathe, connecting to your breath. And every exhale, releasing tension. And then come back to center. Round and curl it up. Inhale, reach the arms up. Prayer hands, exhale. Hands right to your heartbeat. Take a big breath in. And a big breath out. Beautiful job. And then let's come into a tabletop position, coming right into a downward dog. So walk your palms forward. Squeeze your belly, lift your hips. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Go ahead and sway the hips side to side, pedal your feet, shake your head yes and no. Melt your heart towards your thighs. Good. And then inhaling, undulate the spine like a wave. And then exhale, let the heart melt. A few times like this with your breath. Good. Inhale, round the spine, coil it up. And exhale, release it down. Good. Awesome. And then open up the feet mat width apart. Walk your hands back, coming into a wide Uttanasana. Catch your elbows, let the head hang loose, and find a little sway while we stay grounded through the feet. Breathing big the whole time. Good, come back to center, round and curl one vertebra at a time all the way up. Inhale, circle the arms all the way up. Good, palms come together. And then exhale, bring the arms behind you, clasp the hands. Inhale, shoulder blades hug the spine. Exhale, forward fold, letting the knuckles fall forward. Enjoying a nice shoulder opener here. Good. Oscillate the neck left and right, a little sway, and we stay really rooted through the feet. Relax the jaw. Good. And then release your arms, round and curl it up. One more time. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, swan dive. Forward fold, plant your palms, and come right back into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Beautiful. Feet together on an inhale. Reach your right leg all the way up high to the sky. Bend the knee if that feels good. Stack your hips. And then inhale, straighten. Exhale, look forward. Bring your foot forward. Pivot that back heel down, and then circle the arms up, coming right up into warrior two. Good. So tuck the tailbone, open up the collarbone, arms reaching wide. Stay really grounded through the feet. Press the ankles into the earth. Find a little buoyancy here with your breath. And breathe. See if you can soften the face and relax the jaw. Good, and then bring the hands behind you, clasp the hands, and take an inhale. Let the shoulder blades hug the spine. Good. As we straighten the front leg, exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, warrior two. Good. Breathe. And then release the arms open wide. Good. Drop that back arm. Come into revolved warrior. Take everything with you. And then exhale. Look forward. Plant your palms. Step back into a high plank. Same exhale. Lower down for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Upward facing dog. And then exhale. Squeeze your belly. Lift your hips. Downward facing dog. Awesome. Walk it out. Breathe. Let your heart melt. Head and neck relax. And then feet together, switching sides. Inhale, lift that left leg high to the sky. Bend the knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, look forward. Step it forward. Pivot that back heel down. Circling the arms up and around, coming right into your warrior two, feeling nice and grounded. Energetically press the ankles into the earth and find a buoyancy with your breath. Inhaling and exhaling, relaxing the face, the jaw. Good, and then bring your hands behind you, interlace your fingers. Inhale, shoulder blades hug that spine. Rooted through the feet. Awesome shoulders and hips here. Inhale, straighten the front leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. One more inhale, straighten. And exhale. Warrior 2, open up those arms. Good, release that back arm down. Inhale, come into peaceful warrior, revolved warrior. Everything comes with you. And then exhale, look forward, plant your palms, step back to high plank. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga, dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good, and breathe. Deep inhale, undulating the spine once again. And every exhale, the heart melts. Coming back to your breath. Good, and then gently release the knees down, hips go back, and come into a child's pose. Take a deep breath into the back of the body. And exhale, just letting go, enjoying a final hip release here in Balasana. And breathe. Come back to your breath. And then slowly round and curl, coming up or sitting on our heels. Just rest your palms on your legs, close the eyes. Enjoy all the sensations for feeling in the body from opening and being fully present. And then on an inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. Bring your palms together. Touch your thumbs to your third eye. I know the truth. Right in front of your throat, I speak the truth. And right to your heartbeat, where I always feel the truth. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Wishing you peace and love. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.